I'm Yummy.
I'm Abby.
Welcome.
No, sorry, Abimbola. Welcome to
Our show, our vlog, today's vlog. So on today's, oh god, our heads, god,
huge.
Huge. So today, Abby's getting married.
Yes! I'm not sure they ring it.
Oh, the single ladies. Oh, the single lady. Put your hands up. Up in the club. Hey. Hey. My living. Oh, we're supposed to finish at Okay, so we're doing her gift bag.
DIY gift bag.
Her gift bags for her bridesmaids.
She helped me save so much money. I spent so much, and she was like, her and my fiance were like,
yeah.
So I have to return everything.
Like $20 bags. I'm like,
the bags
so many
were
people
$20.
don't even keep, like, they won't keep this one and keep what's inside. So we have to do it on a low low. But
She showed me the way.
But yeah, so stay tuned and we'll tell
Stay
you.
tuned. Stay tuned. Sorry.
You know, they would have never
Okay.
They just kept going. But yeah, alright. Bye. Christmas sweater. There's Christmas every year.
It's Christmas every year.
What's yours? Oh, yours is
It's
not.
tribal. I'm an African.
I'm a Christmas in. So, the first one we did.
Oh my god, this is so
No,
great
the-
because I'm so Afro-ish.
No,
I
hers
love
wasn't
this.
The first one.
Okay, well the first one, let me show you.
One was from Hobby Lobby. So she was gonna give these.
It's pretty cute.
Yeah, these. This is like a big. What's it called?
$15.
Yeah, it was $15, and I thought it was too much. And because it's so big,
It's
whatever you
huge.
put in it will look small. So I'm like, and $15 for
Kobad.
so cute.
She doesn't know fashion.
And then next we found at Five and Below, but these weren't bad either. It says on vacay, so it's very cute because it's a destination wedding.
But no, it's not because it's at home. It's where my blood's from.
But I thought it was, yeah, I thought it's a good steal for $5.
It's a good steal for $5. Oh, you can't beat it.
But then
we found something. Oh my god.
we found
Ghana must go.
bag.
That's like so creative because we're Africans and we all use Ghana must goes.
Yeah, so I thought this would be a cool idea. Get the cool, it's cost effective. They're like $1, $2 a bag. And they're big enough but like also like compact.
Okay.
So it's like the idea behind let's go back to Ghana. But not Ghana, but Nigeria. But Nigerians use Ghana must go. So it was cool.
Come on, Louis, use that.
Then the final one that we chose was,
Oh my god! I actually wanted to use calabash, but then like my dad's sister was like, "Ha, are you using it for rituals?
Ritual.
Can't
do that."
supporting." So we found these in the dollar store.
And this is actually for plants, but we gotta revamp it. So then this is how it's gonna be.
So my coconut.
It's gonna be a coconut.
This is your coconut. And then the gift is gonna be inside.
You know, coconut, because you know, coconut may be hard like life, but inside is sweet.
Oh, doom inside.
Just like the party will be
Sweet.
So this is how we're gonna do it. So I'll tell you more, or we'll tell you more about how we're going to decorate the inside and all like the gifts and goodies they're gonna get. The girls are lucky.
We're lucky.
We got quality, not that low, you know, from the rain stores, you know, cause she got them like that, you know.
Oh, amen.
They don't got any other gifts. No other gifts. They don't got any other gifts. No.
Oh, amen.
They don't got any other gifts. No other gifts. But yeah, we'll be back, guys.
Welcome back.
Hi. Okay, so these are the things we got. So we got obviously the calabash.
It's not calabash.
We got the bowls.
Coconut bowls.
The coconut bowls. Okay. What?
Oh, and then we got the fake grass.
And then we got the it's kind of like a
Natural raffia.
I wasn't gonna be the one who said it.
we're gonna use it as a ribbon.
Basically to put holes in these, like the coconut, so basically when you open it, so it will open like this.
Oh my shit! Wow.
Like a coconut.
Like a coconut. Oh my god.
And we also got glue for the cards. So
yes, and I'm gonna write like special notes because me told me to.
I think it's cute. It's personalized because they're bridesmaids.
No, they're not bridesmaids. I don't like to, because it's not a white wedding. This is a traditional engagement, like cultural. So they're my girls. They're gonna back me. They're gonna dance in with me. They're gonna dance in and take me to my husband.
Okay, so yeah, so let's get started.
Okay, so should I open this? Okay. Easy. Grass. So we're gonna put the grass. Wow. Are we gonna put all of the grass in it?
Yeah, we got 4.
What do you waste?
Oh, that's a lot.
That's a lot. I never. What's it, baby boy?
Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. It's a coconut. Maybe we should have got white.
I think right.
But it's too late.
It's too late. Apologize. Okay, so then I'm gonna get the gifts.
Okay.
Well, cut it. While we're waiting.
Yeah. So now we're back. And so these are the gifts we're putting in.
And a big shout out and thank you to waxdirect.ng Nigeria. They're based in Nigeria. It's a company. They make quality Ankaras. Oh my god, just holla at them. They'll make whatever designs or whatever, and they have very, very nice designs. So shout out to them. Thank you.
After the advertisement. So they're getting one Ankara set. They're gonna get
recline and unwind.
And this basically has
that's what I'm telling them.
Oh, okay.
So I just opened it. And it's a mood boosting beauty. So basically you're gonna get our African black soap, but it's made by white Shea Moisture. This is bath bombs. You put it in the bathtub and you sit in there. Beautiful. Where is this? This is a cleansing bar, it's a toner to tone your skin.
3-in-1.
3-in-1 all together. And this is for, you know, I suffer from this at times. Chapped lips. You know, just put this on the lip. Just put it. It's shea butter. Shea butter. No, it's 100% pure coconut water. It has oil and then fruit fusion. Woo. Yeah, so they're getting that, and they're also getting, thanks to the chief of the chief queen. And you, man, I was introducing you, baby. You don't want to be introduced.
Of course, you know that's me, the chief.
This is her contribution to my ladies, my queens. They're not bridesmaids, they're queens.
Yeah, I think this is good. Did you want to do it like what you watch?
You guys gonna watch me? Sure, yeah, let's watch. Let me watch.
Or do you want this like?
Got butterflies in my belly. Con ricuson coche como Emma Pavillon. Oroi felaye. The Adomoni. Iru amonti mofe. Wombela rare. Baby goro kami. Opa ele wamo. mo fẹ́ bá ẹ darúgbó, mo fẹ́ bá ẹ dalẹ̀, ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ máa jírí lójoojúmọ́ ayé mi. Olómi, sweetheart, òní tèmi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi, olólùfẹ́, ojú kan ṣàlàdání, lọ́lá Olúwa kò sọ.